Hey everyone, Josh here from the Google Minecart, and before we start this video, click that subscribe button and make sure you follow my Twitter. I will leave in the description, and that's it. And let's get into the video. So guys, did you hear that new update? So in the new update 1.2, it will add a stained glass and a dual welding, and this is we're talking about because of armor stand animation, and I reading it, that's a GAF armor stand that have animation. So let's get to the armor stand Twitter of St. Major. So guys, we are on this Twitter, and you can search it by mobile.twitter.com/argo_major, and this is it, Jason Major, and he has hashtag better together day 5. Too much armor to wear. Now you can put them on display. Dot 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 dot. And let's play the GIF. So guys, okay, so it is like the Xbox, yeah, and you can move it. It has animation, yes guys, it is very cool. When you use it in Realm, MC World, and much more server. And guys, this is it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, smash that like button to give you more better information about 1.2 update, and smash that like button, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye.